Okay, so we're working on putting a score up here. If I press P now, I'll make sure I'm clicked into Blender. P now, you can see that our score equals 0. And what we need to do here, first off, let's just simplify things, delete these extra tuxes, choose this tux here, and if we click on our player here, our empty player, you can see that we have that one tux when he is killed adds 50 points or 500 points to our score. Well, what we're going to do is shift select this guy here, and what we're going to do is we have over here our bad tux. When he dies, he does all these things, and one of them will be here, adding 500 to the score of our player, but we're going to actually change that to our score text here. We're going to add an actuator of a property, and we're going to say our text equals text plus 500. And if we look down here, we have this. We can follow that up to where he dies. So bird collision, and then we should just be able to connect that to here. And control down arrow. Now, if we press P and we shoot, if I actually hit him, there you go. You can see our score equals 500 up there. And I'm going to hit escape here, which means we no longer need the score on our main player here. So we can remove that, and we can remove that. And now, control down arrow, if we were to clone, Shift-D this guy a few times, we can press P, and as we kill them, you can see we get more and more points. Oops. Yes, I missed everybody. And I'm out of tuxes, and the game starts over. So, let's try this again. Whoa, I sent that one tux flying up in the air. Hope he comes back down. There he is. That was pretty cool. There we go. Okay. Wow, did another tux just come flying down from the sky? Okay. So, let's save that. Now, right now, our score is in white, and all other fonts are pretty much in yellow. So let's look into changing that. As I said earlier, that plane that we imported was a just an image. Now, I'm sure there's some way to change the color in Blender, but what I'm just going to do, I'm just going to change that file. So, oops, let's quit the game, and I'm going to open up GIMP on my computer, which is an image editor. I'm sure many of you are familiar with. So here we go. I'm going to Control O, and I'm going to go to Blender fonts. I'm going to choose that font, open it, and Blender jumped in front of it. There we go. Let's see if I can change this without screwing up the font. So we should be able to just select everything that's white, and let's do yellow for that, and yellow for that, and then we should just be able to, maybe? Or is this a black and white font only? Mode, grayscale, RGB. I don't know if that's going to screw up the font for the game. I have not tried this yet. So I'm going to save it as a different file just so we don't mess up. I'll call it foo2. Save. Oh, interesting. I'm going to choose top left. I don't know. Let's close that, and let's see if that works. If not, we're going to go a different route with this. But what we should be able to do is select one of those, go to the textures, go to where the texture is, and choose our new one. And it looks like it's working. There we go. We got a yellow font. And just so it's packaged in the game, let's remember to package that in. Okay, so we have got our scoreboard going there. Our scores that shoot up, and man, I shot that guy flying up in the air again. I'm going to have to figure out what's causing that. Because we can't have guys, I mean, if he flies up real high, that's fine, as long as he comes back down soon. Might have to be, maybe I have him actually in one of those cubes. Let's see, let's move him up a little bit. I think it's that guy that's doing it. This guy went flying earlier too, so let's move him up a little bit. Something went flying there, but it looks like I killed him. It's those little glitches in the game that... And that guy went flying. How come I don't remember this happening before? But all of a sudden it's happening all the time now. What did I change? Something we'll have to figure out. Because every time he's going flying way high up. Interesting. Definitely something we'll fix. Anyway, thanks for watching. Please visit filmsbykris.com/POP for more on this game. Thank you for watching, and I hope that you have a great day.